Good morning, everyone. Thank you so much for joining for this video. And today I'm going to talk about a few of the alternatives to LeetCode. I know that this is one of the favorite platforms of everyone, but there are a few of the shortcomings that people want to change to another platform. So one of the concern is the price. So if you talk about the monthly bill that is charged to use LeetCode, it is $39, which is actually close to 3,537 rupees in Indian currency. And if you want an affordable monthly charge, you have to pay $179, which is close to 16,000 rupees. So for some of them, price is the concern, but for some of them, price is not the concern. Like there are some other concerns as well. So if you look here, mostly the LeetCode is designed for people, those who are opting for a Python developer role. So they are mostly focused on data structure and algorithms. And you can see here that, like, let us suppose you are interested in working as a data scientist or a machine learning engineer or a data analyst. So you need to also, or let us suppose you're working with biological data and you want R. For bioinformatics, you don't see here that R is supported in the LeetCode. So for that reason, we do have some other options. Like let us suppose if I go to HackerRank. So HackerRank is another platform like LeetCode. The only difference is it might not have that amount of problems. The library might be not as rich as that of LeetCode, but if you look into the platform, you can see the UI similar to that of LeetCode, and there are kind of really good questions. But okay, so R is not here, but if you look into the interface, it's similar to LeetCode, and for every language, it is having a separate environment to practice. And the most important thing about HackerRank is it's kind of affordable than LeetCode. So people, those who are starting their coding journey, they can actually use this kind of platforms for starting their coding journey. And when they start earning in money afterwards, they can switch to LeetCode. So affordability is one of the features for HackerRank. And the next thing is, if you want to practice on problems on tensors, that is mostly being practiced nowadays, whoever is working with LLMs or computer vision models using PyTorch and CUDA. So for them, neither LeetCode nor HackerRank is the option. They have another option called LeetGPU, and it's really interesting that LeetGPU not only provides support for PyTorch, it also provides support for other languages like CUDA, Triton, JAX, Mojo, and etc. And few of them I also don't know about them, but the most favorite is PyTorch, that is being particularly used. And you can also use different machines to solve your problems, and you can get problems that is related to the PyTorch data structure and the tensor data structure and PyTorch framework. And also, if you go into the pro, want to subscribe and go into the pro mode, you can see the different additional services that you can get, and it's kind of really affordable. It's only $5 per month, which is close to 453 rupees per month. Okay, and let's go to another particular platform which is particularly built for practicing data science and data analysis related problems. So here you can see that we have analytical questions, you have algorithmic questions, and you have data visualization questions as well. So if you go here, you can see that there will be questions related to matplotlib, pyplot. And if you want questions related to data structure and algorithms, you can go and you can see that there are a lot of questions. Those are related to data structure and algorithms here, particularly trees, which is mostly used in Facebook. This concept is particularly mostly used in Facebook, Twitter, and so many different companies for creating relational networks. And you can see the most important thing here, using numpys and pandas related problems. You can see here we have those numpy and pandas related problems as well. You can use PySpark, pandas, and you can also use SQL. And the most important thing is it does have support for R language, which is particularly used by data analysts, both in the bioinformatics field as well, and people those who are not related to bioinformatics. Okay, the next platform I want to discuss about is called Codeverse. So Codeverse is one of my favorite platform to practice data structure and algorithm related problems. But you can see here that we do also have support for R, which is currently in beta stage. and I'm currently now using the free version of this. I haven't upgraded it to um, the premium version. So the premium version here is called something called upgrade to something called red. I don't know what is that, but so you can see here that this is also really affordable. It's only $5 monthly, and I don't know that what extra additional features they provide in the annual and semi-annual version. I think they all provide the similar kind of features, and particularly they haven't yet mentioned that what kind of features they provide in particular plans. But then again, uh, you can use the free version, and it has a lot of different problems, and I don't think that you might immediately want to upgrade it to the pro version in case of Codeverse. And one other thing I didn't talk about Strata Scratch is it's about its price. So I will go back to Strata Scratch and Strata Scratch and talk about the pricing as well. And it's not affordable, obviously. But you can see that people, those who are particularly looking for data scientist, data analyst, and data visualization roles for practicing, they could actually opt for this Strata Scratch platform. So I had opted once. If you don't opt, there will be some of the problems. Those will be locked and you cannot use them. So this is yeah. So this is the price they charge, and I think it's kind of worth it. If you want to go for it, you should go for it. And I think I already talked about the pricing of Lead GPU. They also don't cost charge that much. Okay, I did already discuss about that. Okay, yeah. So the next platform I am going to talk about is CodeChef. Okay, so CodeChef, I don't like this platform that much because it's actually designed for someone uh, who are who are new to programming and um, who are new to programming and they are actually starting. So the courses are designed in such a way that it starts from very easy problems and um, eventually it comes to very difficult problems. But you can see the kind of problem that is being given here, and so many of these problems are like this from the start. So some of the people who are already looking for competitive problems might not like it that much. So yeah, so these are a few of the different platforms alternative to LeetCode that I wanted to discuss today, and I hope you enjoyed the video, and and this video particularly answered a few of your questions. So thank you so much for watching this video, and see you in the next one.